Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable Bluetooth mode on your Edifier MP260. So, right now we have aux mode and we can see it by this LED light, and to change it to Bluetooth mode we should press at the power button. So press on it, now we swap to another mode, press again, and right here we can see this Bluetooth icon, so it means that we enter to Bluetooth mode. Now let's returning to the aux and I will show it to you the next method. And the next option is to just press one time at the Bluetooth button. So press on it, and as you can see we again enter to Bluetooth mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!